drives me crazy. I want to go out in the grass, have picnics. What the hell? Got to go to Makati to find a park that'll let you use it. Cannot figure it out. Not everything in the world is about being pretty. Don't tell that to the girls. Okay, cats. Looking for cats. I have one small treat for cats. See if we can find some. Probably sleeping. Let's see. Oh yeah, it's 1:30. This is their siesta. Probably no cats. We'll go sit at Cat Central and see if any of them pick up my scent. That's usually how it happens. They can't see very far, but they can smell you, almost like little hound dogs. They are little hound dogs, little miniature hound dogs. See if we can attract any cats. Where they take their siesta is downwind of me, so I'm betting. Give it about 10 minutes. Oh God, already. Tigger, what are you doing? You're very quick to find me. Yes, okay, come on. Come on. Oh, I thought it would be 10 minutes, not 10 seconds. Okay, okay, I do have a treat. Yeah, look out, Tigger. I don't want to sit on your tiny cat feet. Hi. Okay, Tigger. Okay, okay. I know you're like starved for attention. Okay, come here. Look, I have salmon. Look, I have salmon. 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 No, Tigger, stop it. God dang it. Tigger. The camera is not going to pet you back. Oi. Okay, look, you stay here now. Don't screw around over there by the camera. I don't know what the cat's fascination with cameras is. Look, 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 Tigger. Look, Tigger, 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 settle down. Look, Tigger. Oh, look, you're dropping it on the freaking concrete, Tigger. Come on, look, look, look. Here, here. No, it's not on my hand. Look, look, it's right here. You dropped it already, Tigger, Tigger. Look. Oh God, you're a klutzy cat. Okay, come on. Look, try to straighten up and fly right here, Tigger. Come on, Tigger. No, it's not. There, there. Thank you, smart kitty. Okay, there. You got that down. Yeah, this is salmon flavor. I don't think you ever had salmon before, and I'm not going to test it for you. I made that mistake a few times. No, homie, don't do that no more. Okay, now that's all you get for a few minutes. I want to see if some other little heathens come. Okay. Oh my God, you're a lot of trouble. Okay, just hang out. Hang out. We'll see if any other little demons come. Maybe Quill is out here somewhere. You don't know. Do not knock that camera over again. I'll kill you. I will figuratively kill you. Settle down. Settle down. Look, you can come over here, Tigger. Look, you can sit up here like this. It's okay. It's okay. Ah. No, don't go over there. Stay here. This is your area here. There. Oh, you're very you would be a nice condo cat, wouldn't you? No, 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 Tigger, no! God dang it! No, no! Oh my God, you're just a menace. You're a menace. No, don't go over there. Really? No, Tigger, no. Shit. Oh, you're dangerous. Really? Can we try this? Look, let's try another way. Well, this can go down. Keep it away from you. There. There. Now, this gonna work? Now you won't knock it over. Okay, that's a little bit, only a lick. Here. Okay. 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 Now we have to wait, see if the biter or some other. Oh. Oh, you're a crazy one. You're very skinny. You're too skinny. I think you're too polite, and the other cats are taking your food. You have to learn to be a little bit aggressive, but then you won't be sweet anymore. Yeah, that's the problem. Yeah, when you're aggressive enough to survive, then you're no longer sweet. That's the same problem people have also. Yeah. Nobody who is sweet can be aggressive enough to survive. Not usually. Don't go over there. Do not go over there. Oh. Oh, you like the salt. You want the salt. Oh, yeah. Okay. Where's all your compadres? Talking to cats. Oh, God, I'm losing it. I'm talking to cats. At least I'm not answering for them today. Hell. Yeah, I know. You're a really nice kitty. If I had a pet-friendly condo, I would have a dozen of you, and I wouldn't have enough money to eat myself. Yeah, I know. Oh, you want to see that? Okay. Okay. Oh. Oh. You can probably see this. I mentioned it in another tape. It had a big shave spot here. I couldn't figure out what the hell it was. It's an alternative way of doing spaying. I've had countless cats spayed in my life, and I had never seen that or heard of it. They spay from the side, and they say there are a lot of benefits to it. She needed very little aftercare, as opposed to going in from the abdomen, from the belly. Yeah, oh, you're just crazy for attention. Oh, yeah, okay. Okay, kissing, I know, okay. Okay. So that was not a pellet gun wound like I thought. That was her being spayed. And when they spay them, they clip their ear. You can see. No. You can see. No. You can see right there, this ear has been clipped off. And that's a permanent mark, so others know, hey, you're crazy. Others know that she's been spayed. Sometimes it's a little half moon cutout, or sometimes they actually just scissor off the end of the ear, probably when they're under anesthetic. I really hate cats. I hate them. I really hate them. They're the bane of our existence. Yeah. Oh, no, you get crazy and you start biting. I don't want biting. No, just be nice. Just settle down. Calmly. Calm. Let's lay down and have a nap. Meditate. Yeah, good. Oh, Tigger. Yeah. There, good kitty. I'm not going to pet you because then you'll go crazy again. Good kitty. Yeah. No, I don't. No, I'm not going to. Oh, that was my mistake. Shit. No, go ahead, lay down. It's okay, Tigger. It's okay. No biting. Okay, there. Lay down. Thank you. Holy shit. Oh. I don't see any of your compadres or your nemesis either. So maybe you can have the rest of this. Yeah, I know. If you would get more petting really if you were calm. See, that's good. That's good. Yeah, that's not obnoxious. How old are you, Tigger? I think about a year and 2 months, maybe. That's my guess. You're silly. You're really a silly cat. Who dropped you off anyway? Very bad people. When she first showed up here, she was at the starvation stage. Looked Ethiopian. Just bones. Skin and bones. Literally skin and bones. She's coming back, but it's a slow process for her. She's coming back slowly. I think because she's too timid and nice, and the other cats get the bulk of the food. I think that's what's going on. Good thing I don't have a lot of money. If I had Gates's money, I would have half a dozen football stadiums full of cats, and they'd all be fat. And I would just go around in my helicopter and visit with them every day. That'd be my life. Instead of screwing around, causing trouble, pissing people off, it would just be me and the cats forever. Yeah, that'd be a way more productive life than Gates. Stupid ass. I don't think his mom even liked him. Nobody did. If I could train those cats, I'd get Elon to put chips in them. That's it. We'd chip all the cats in my 6 football stadiums, and we would train them. And we could have them do anything we wanted. Like, go eat Bill Gates. Meow. And they'd all run. They'd all open the doors. Yeah, that would work. That's my plan. Yeah, I know. That thing's coming after you. Stick just fell out of the tree over there. I know. It's very disconcerting. I know. Yeah. You watch it. It might come over here. Have to be careful. Okay. I'm going to give you the rest of this because the others aren't coming. Okay, come on. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Wake up. There you go. I don't know that there's a lot of food value in these little tubes of shit, but they love it. It gives them a little few bright moments in their day, and that's really about all I can do for them. The food they get is really low grade, and that's partly due to funding and partly by design. But they get enough. You know, if they hang around and stay with the program, they get enough to eat, so they're not dying of malnutrition. It's just not a fun existence, you know. How would you like to eat nothing but string beans for the entire rest of your life? Well, it wouldn't be very much fun. I'd like to have some steak and some ice cream and stuff once in a while, so that's what I do for them. That's my job. All I can do. They appreciate it. Okay, there you go, Tigger. We're done. We be done. Yeah, say bye-bye to the people. Say, bye-bye, people. Bye-bye. I'll see you later. Okay, Tigger. Go on. Go on. There, maybe she's got food, Tigger. Watch her, watch her. I think maybe she's got some food. Yeah, watch her. Watch her, you have to learn to assist. Are her pockets full? We'd be done. We'd be done, Tigger. I am abandoning you. Yeah, there. Okay, there. There's the Tigger. There's the Tigger. Oh, maybe we'll go shopping. Shopping? You want to go shopping, Tigger? Huh? Yeah? Yeah? You want to go shopping in the store? Yeah? I know. You would like it in the meat section. Yeah. I'll try to get you in there some night. Nobody's looking. Yeah. Hmm. Meow, meow, meow. Meow, meow. Oh, what happened to you? You have an owie. Wait, I want to see. Okay, I want to see the owie. Don't bite me. Tigger. Tigger. No, I said no biting. Yeah, she's got an owie here. Got an owie on her elbow right there. I wish I had a little iodine. Okay. Were you fighting, Tigger? Huh? Or did you fall off the playground equipment? No, I don't want you biting. You get wound up. You're kind of like hyper. I think she probably came from owners in a nice condo near here within a block that were very kind to her and gave her a lot of attention. And she spent the first year of her life having a good life. Air conditioning, nice windows to look out of, good food. And then one day, with no warning at all to her, it just went to absolute rat shit. They put her in a box, they snuck her over to the park when nobody was looking. They opened the box and they said, "Bye-bye, kitty. Been nice knowing you. Good luck. See you around." And she was shocked to her core. She's so damn sweet that she is trying really, really hard to bounce back from it. If I had a place, I swear to God, I would take her right now, right today, right this minute, I would take her home. I couldn't help it. Couldn't stop. I have no self-control when it comes to cats. And that's some ways that's a shortcoming. Okay, Tigger. I bet she would just love to sleep in the bed, bite you all night long, wake you up. Yeah, I bet. Knock everything over in the nighttime. Yeah, pretty sure. At least she's not a meower. Okay, you go see what they're doing, Tigger. Okay. Bye-bye. See you later. No biting, no biting. I know, I'm sorry I have to go, but you can find some other friends. Yeah, most of the people here are nice. You can go talk to them. I know, Tigger. Okay, I'm sorry. I can't help you anymore. Hey, no biting. Oi. No. Tigger, come on. No. No. Oh, Tigger. No, go home. Go, no. Come on, Tigger. Come on. No, I'm going to the garbage here. No, you can't go. Oh, look, I don't want to step on you either. Ow! Hey, no. Oh, Tigger. Tigger. Oh, shit. Come on, I have to walk. Tigger, hi! Okay, it looks like we escaped Tigger. Yep, escaped. Getting better at escaping. You gotta watch for your moment when they get distracted by something, you're gone. I really wanted to go the other way, but I'm not going to attract her attention again. So. There's one that lives under these little garbage bins. She's always sick. She won't talk to people hardly at all. I don't see her today. When it's raining, she crawls right underneath those. And she never goes more than like 10 or 20 feet from this corner. I haven't seen her for a few days, so I don't know, maybe they took her away or she died, I don't know. Well, they're still putting food here, but it's not being eaten. So I don't know. I do not and will not interact with the cats of BGC group. They've done a couple of things that pissed me off. Cross a red line, and I won't interact with them. If they have a sick cat here, I use a fake email account and I send them a picture of the cat. Say, this cat has this or that. Can you do something about it? And that's it. And they never ever reply to that email account. So I know they're getting the messages, but I have not seen any evidence of them actually doing anything to help after they got an email like that, so I don't know what they do. And that's not part of my bitch with them at all. You know, maybe their funds are limited, their time is limited. I have a couple of other specific incidents that just crossed the Rubicon for me, and that I appreciate what they do. I'm not going to badmouth them. They help an awful lot of cats. But because of those two incidents, I won't interact with them. So anyway, okay. So consequently, I'll never know what happens to any cat. Okay. We're done.